Did you know there's a town in Papua New Guinea known for its stunning harbor, rich culture, and World War II history? Welcome to Alotau, the capital of Milne Bay Province. Located on the northern shore of Milne Bay, Alotau is surrounded by beautiful islands, crystal clear waters, and lush green hills. In 1942, the nearby Battle of Milne Bay became the first major land defeat of Japanese forces during World War II. Today, Alotau is famous for its friendly people, vibrant cultural festivals, and as a gateway to island adventures and diving destinations. From its wartime history to its natural beauty, Alotau is one of Papua New Guinea's most fascinating towns. Follow and subscribe for more PNG facts and history